Now, with school reopening in a matter of days, the St. James Public Health Department has ramped up their vector control activities, fogging over 38 schools in the parish. The parish has seen a spike in the Aedes aegypti index since June as the country continues to be on dengue alert. Dwayne Anderson has that story.
This canal, which runs behind the Howard Cook Primary School in St. James, is a breeding site for mosquitoes. The mosquitoes that can cause dengue and other vector-borne diseases. It is why these vector control inspectors were seen flooding the area, fogging and attempting to fix the issue ahead of the reopening of schools. Sharika Lewis, Acting Chief Public Health Inspector for the parish, heads this initiative.
With the incoming new school year, the St. James Health Department, as per usual, embarked on a search and destroy of mosquito breeding sites. What we try to do also is to include communities that are surrounding our schools.
Ms. Lewis says the team is working closely with the school's management to ensure they maintain good sanitation practices. She pointed to concerns in and around some communities where schools are situated.
There are several major drains that run alongside the community, and we are indeed seeing mosquito breeding sites. We are seeing where the drains need to be cleaned. We are seeing shrubs and other debris, garbage. We see persons who are living alongside the drains and so forth, that are their living conditions are contributing to the poor sanitation of the drains.
The vector control efforts will continue in schools across the parish. Meanwhile, Principal of Howard Cook Primary School Dave Scott told TVJ News that he welcomes the work being done by the Public Health Department.
We have always been asking them to do some fogging because mosquitoes do affect us here at the school. It is indeed a good initiative because I don't like mosquitoes, and for these mosquito-borne diseases, we wouldn't want, especially the children, to get these diseases and cause any disruption to school and their health.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.